Enhancing brain function through natural vision workout, the eye-brain connection, boosting brain health through eye exercises. See how enhancing your vision through natural workouts can lead to better brain health, impacting everything from cognitive processing to bodily function regulation. The connection between our eyesight and brain function is more profound than many realize. Just as a high-quality fruit processing factory requires the best fruit to produce delicious juices, our brain needs clear visual information to process thoughts effectively. Let's explore how improving your eyesight naturally can lead to better brain work, the role of vision in cognitive processing. The foundation of thoughts, our ability to think, analyze, and understand the world around us, heavily relies on the quality of visual information we receive. Clear vision allows us to perceive our environment in details, providing our brain with the necessary data to process visual information and make decisions. The importance of high-quality visual information. Feeding the brain. For our brain to operate at its peak, it requires comprehensive and high-quality eye health. Blurry or distorted vision can limit the data our brain has to work with, hindering our cognitive abilities. By enhancing our eyesight, we enrich the brain resources, enabling it to function more effectively. The interconnectedness of eyesight and brain health. Managing overall wellness. Our brain is not only responsible for cognitive processes, but also plays a crucial role managing our body's function. Poor brain performance can lead to various organ dysfunctions. Therefore, by training and improving our vision, we indirectly support our brain's ability to regulate and maintain overall bodily health. Unlock better vision and enhance brain power with Eyesight Academy course. Join today and unlock eye focus by doing eye exercises and implementing clear vision habits and natural techniques. Your journey to a better vision and a sharper mind started here. Link in the description. The path to enhance cognitive function. Vision improvement as brain exercise. Improving your eyesight naturally is a step to exercising your brain. Practices that enhance visual clarity, such as eye exercises, spending time outdoors, and reducing screen time, can also stimulate brain function, leading to improved concentration, memory, and processing speed. Implementing brain hemisphere harmonization to heal lazy eye and build new neural connections in the brain. Activation of weaker hand and lazy eye can boost overall health and performance naturally. Conclusion. A clearer vision for a sharper mind. The journey to better eyesight is also a path to enhance brain function. By focusing on natural methods to improve our vision, we not only gain a clearer view of the world, but also boost our cognitive abilities and overall wellness. The benefits of this holistic approach extend far beyond just seeing better. They encompass a healthier, more vibrant way of living. Stay tuned for more insights on how you can enhance both your vision and brain function naturally. Subscribe to our channel for all the latest tips and information on living a healthier, more insightful life.